My goal is to design better office tools that focus on enjoyment of use rather than efficiency by taking influence from workshop tools to mentally stimulate users. The three concepts I've designed are an eraser, a stapler, and a tape dispenser. Each design communicates with the family through their shared design features. All tools have a concave base to reduce the visual weight they have when on the user's desk. They all consist of a stack of multiple components that, when users interact with, reveal hidden functions. Each tool's main feature is a balloon square that tapers to a circle. All tools are made of mill-scaled stainless steel and African rosewood. The eraser is made up of three components: the base that is used as a clamp, the mallet, and the chisel. The clamp is used by removing the cap and the wedge from the main base. The paper is placed on the edge of the table and the clamp is slotted over the table and paper. The chisel can be removed from the mallet, revealing the eraser. Using the mallet, the chisel can be hit across the paper to erase any mistakes. The stapler is made up of four components: the container, the anvil, the punch/die, and the hammer. The hammer is removed from the anvil to reveal the punch/die. The papers are now placed over the anvil where, using the hammer and punch, a hole is punched in the corner of the paper. The anvil can now be removed to reveal the rivets in the container. A rivet is placed in the punched hole and, removing the punch from the die is used with the hammer to rivet the papers together. The tape dispenser is made up of three components: the paper roll dispenser, the glue pot, and the brush lid. The glue pot can be removed from the top while the correct length of paper is torn from the paper dispenser. Once the correct length is torn off, the lid of the glue pot can be removed to reveal the brush attached to it. Using the brush, glue is painted onto the paper and the paper can be applied as needed. My presentation is going to be laid out with a desk at the front of the space, displaying all my tools and allowing people to interact with them. Behind that will be a pedestal with a monitor showing videos of the tools in use, and then behind that will be my poster. My Behance presentation will be laid out similar to my portfolio. In terms of production, I've already ordered stainless steel 3D prints for all the metal components, and I have the wood and CAD to mill the wooden components. Once I have all the parts, I need to do some post-processing to ensure all the tolerances are good, and then I will need to give everything its final finish, which includes heating the steel so that it can have mill scale and finishing the wood components with lacquer.